For many of the folks that do come to Wesley Co-op, they just aren't comfortable going to a brick and mortar clinic. So by bringing healthcare to them, we get them engaged in healthcare, we build trust, we build relationships, and make healthcare be a safe place and not a place that's threatening to them.
If you are suffering from blood pressure issues or you take medication, things that you can do to help.
We bring our public health students here. They're typically senior nursing students in their third semester, and they've already had all of their clinical acute care experience, and this is where they kind of get to really spread their wings and put those skills into practice in a non-traditional setting. And here we get to know them as people. We get to understand what stressors they have in their life, what gaps they have. We address things like housing, mental health, social services, and we can approach their care from a more intimate environment. And for some of them, they haven't had that experience. They've had negative experiences going to clinics. They've had to wait in lines. They've had to wait weeks to get an appointment, or they've been denied medical coverage. And so the nurses provide a trusting face of healthcare.
Okay, are you on a blood pressure medication?
I take like 3 different ones.
And the insulin as well? Okay, are you doing like a sliding scale?
What the students get to do here is understand the components of someone's story and see that not every person has a house, has a place to shower, has a support system. And so it's about how they can really reach people on a deeper level. It benefits our students and it benefits the clients here because we bridge that gap in the relationship to healthcare. One of the really essential things that can come out of this for them is to recognize why they became a nurse, to show them that every person has a story, every person needs to be cared for, and that this is really a humanitarian profession, and it really is a vocation and a calling. And I think the difference is that these students get to have this real life experience serving this community.